Kulish bud vibro section part ka result coverage jong ka post jong ka driver jong ka MEGHALAYA HOMEGUARD te ka dap mi na du nyutrik tama one of soye nga krap yo ban pe ya ka por ngon kam te ngan haban mi mentaru the result of the interview of the post of driver conducted by the Civil Defense and Home Guard Central Recruitment Board on 7 July 2025 hereby declare on the basis of interview the name of the successful candidate recommended by the Central Recruitment Board is in order of merit are as follow. Binay Kumar Sharma on reserve, Saljrang K. Sangma on reserve, Ruhi Lamare on reserve, Krishan Lang Wanyang, Khas Jantia, Joster Fields Imli, Khas Jantia, Cheki Paswet, Khas Jantia, Pom Ding Star Nongsik, Khas Jantia, Fix Rate Langstang, Bante Samati, Rish Bejon Wanyang, Napo Khas Jantia, Waichang Ki Sangma, Nitwin M. Sangma, Terang Sal M. Arang, Sanu CH Marak, Krimas Selsan M Sangma, Kardias Marak, Pradunya Hajong, maka order ST/SC category. Rok nyungut. The above list of successful candidates for the post of driver is prepared in accordance to the existing reservation policy of the state. Tekini candidate kibalalong successful mentaka post driver haka civil defense and home guard. Te tangkini kijing petip kulish bun.